From the power of global growth, we are PT Krakatau Engineering is one of subsidiaries of PT Krakatau Steel, which is known as the best series of state-owned enterprise among Indonesia and even in Southeast Asia. Located at Krakatau Industrial Estate Cilegon, we established our core business in engineering, procurement, and construction. We are fully filled by quality human resource with patience and commitment to carry out. We believe to our skilled workforce to foster country's economic strength. And we are ready to provide services in a wide range of clients over Indonesia and even expand to the worldwide. We have been being supported by workshop to supply material and equipment of the project demand over the nation. Because we spread our experiences among archipelagos in multiply business. And one of our hit experiences is coal preparation plant and overland conveyor of Asam-Asam, South Kalimantan. We showed our best performance as contractor of mining project, which is owned by PT Adutmin Indonesia and under supervised by PT Nusa Tambang Pratama. We set the conveyor as majority to change the track of existing hauling in delivering coal towards the barging. Coal preparation plant was built in the area of 30 hectares area, which aimed to produce coal in particular size and calories. The intake coal from mine is unloaded to dump hopper with capacity weight of 200 tons by rear dump trucks. The feeder breaker underneath directly breaks the coal at product size of 200 millimeters. Then discharge it to transfer conveyor 11 to reach crushing station passing on land analyzer, which scans coal for calories. In crushing station, a secondary crusher crushes the coal in second time at product size of 50 mm for further separating it onto different conveyor. In stacking process, the coal is floated from crushing station through scalon conveyor 12, which for triple car. Afterwards, the triple car discharges the coal to the open stockpile, which accommodating capacity of 150,000 tons. The coal will be deposited in areas of specific coal quality or homogeneous single quality. In reclaiming process, the coal on the stockpile will be thrown to the reclaim conveyor 13 in tunnel underneath stockpile through 3 active reclaim feeders, which is helped by dozers. The reclaim conveyor 13 will convey the coal climb up to the surge bin. On the other hand, the bypass process was transferring coal from crushing station directly to the surge bin by reclaim conveyor 13. A tram iron magnet over belt on the conveyor 11 and conveyor 13 removed tram metal from the coal stream. The surge bin itself accommodates coal temporarily with capacity of 500 tons before feeding it to OLC. Surge bin is also equipped by overflow to control overloading of coal intake. Overall, conveyor at CPP was designed for 2,000 tons per hour. Overland conveyor consists of 2 long conveyors which are connected by a transfer tower in the middle of both conveyors, with total length is about 8.5 km alignment. The coal from surge bin will be delivered to the port by OLC 1, then continued by OLC 2. Overland conveyor was built over swamp area, which is designed for 2,000 tons per hour. Along the track, there are several underpasses while the conveyor is beneath. The first is Province Underpass, which crosses conveyor under Province Road. Secondly, is PLTU Underpass that crosses conveyor under local power plant road. The third is Sawit Underpass that crosses conveyor under public road at surrounding village. The fourth is hauling PLTU Underpass, which crosses conveyor under coal supply hauling of PLTU. Thereafter, 4 underpasses of KJW, which crosses conveyor under palm plantation track. At the end of OLC2 is connecting to the existing coal handling facilities at the port.
On the third largest island in the world, coal preparation plant and overland conveyor were built along 2010 and 2012 at South Kalimantan, Indonesia. We started our excellent project in November 13, 2010, presided by Project Execution Plan with a pro and the founded project full team to carry out. We have completed milestone 1 of CPP at May 9, 2012 and milestone 2 of OLC at November 25, 2012 by holding wet commissioning for coal production performance. And nowadays was running maintenance period for boats which ended in May 8, 2013 for CPP and November 24, 2013 for OLC. Our project value was approximately 323 billion rupiah or 35 million US dollar, with additional work value on about 1.78 million US dollar and additional work value to about 1.6 million US dollar. We manage it into centralized purchasing system for planned content and on-site purchasing system for local content. We keep quality of our project mostly. We directly purchase original country for equipment product of foreign content, such for Germany, Australia, and USA, and we actually use local content for all steel from Krakatau Steel and Group. We also have supported by qualified national subcontractor as vendor. Besides, we had having award come from the owner, PT Arutmin Indonesia, for lost time injury, along of project operational. Moreover, we brought surveillance of OSAS 18001 and ISO 14001 from PT Sukovindo successfully through this project. And also many internal audit, we passed it completely. That all caused by good management we have in implementing. Finally, we proudly said that we successfully completed all by the power of teamwork and the good partnership.
We established some of system to support operational of coal production in this plant. We set dust separation system for watering coal through water sprinkle in order to lose coal dust on the air and wash down system to wash the units at every local area from the coal plague and mud. The water was supplied from settling pond using pump house system, then stored it into a bin and mixed it with chemical material to suppress burn effect of the coal during production, stacking, and transferring at CPP. Similarly at OLC, dust separation system and washdown system also take water supply from settling pond via pump house system. Then, the water will be sprayed through water sprinkle over OLC2. Secondly, we installed the electricity and power system. At CPP, we use double power generator which is supported by a fuel storage tank as starter power then distribute the electricity via service cable. As well as at OLC, we use existing power generator from port in producing electricity to be distributed via overhead transmission line. The third, we program the automatic control system through MCC rooms. We built MCC 7, MCC 6, MCC 4, and MCC 3, which have each panel control inside for integrating of control philosophy. The fourth, we equipped safety devices system such as bell drip switch, pull cord wire, cords, and lighting arrestor. The fifth, we found firefighting system involving hydrant to put out fire at outdoor and carbon dioxide gas system to extinguish fire at inside MCC room, which is equipped by smoke detector. And the last, we set paging address system including loudspeaker, siren, CCTV, telephone, and internet. Meanwhile, we also implement safety health environment system to keep process quality accordance with our policy. We keep waste management system during the operational project in different way of open dumping treatment for organic waste and hand over to the collector company for both of anorganic and hazardous waste. Then, we also maintain our vehicles and motor equipment for properly check, using non-subsidiary fuel, and perform emission testing. It is because we realized that we need to increase the culture to care for being green contractor to save our earth. We consist of talented people who perform their expertise wisely. A young with the innovation and the mature with the experience will provide a dynamic collaboration to execute any challenge magnificently. We are united with joy and sorrow to empower each other to reach the goal effectively. During its project operational, we concerned about society living and surrounding. We help in building public facilities, donating for many social activities, empower local economy, participating in traditional party, and many more. We strive to bring them up in line with our project perfectly. Thus, the sunshine will light a whole of us, and then give spirit for the technology we build to benefit around society and the earth. We keep moving towards the future, then being strong in constructing bright.